In a world of ever-evolving design, the Nordic Concrete Sanctuary stands as a testament to timeless innovation. With its bold black concrete exterior, Scandinavian influences, and seamless connection to nature, this home redefines modern elegance. It's not just a house. It's an experience where design, function, and the environment coexist harmoniously. The Nordic Concrete Sanctuary's design draws from the minimalism and functionality of Scandinavian architecture. Every line, every angle speaks to a philosophy that balances aesthetics and purpose. The dark, monolithic exterior serves as both a statement of modernity and a canvas for the natural surroundings, blending with the environment rather than overpowering it. Contrary to traditional perceptions of cold concrete, the architects infused warmth into the design through texture and light. The black surface captures the interplay of sunlight and shadow throughout the day, creating dynamic visuals that transform with time. This evolving facade feels alive, reflecting the subtle rhythms of nature around it. The sanctuary's essence lies in its profound relationship with nature. Large, strategically placed openings frame scenic views, pulling the outdoors in. The architecture doesn't just sit in nature, it interacts with it. Trees, shrubs, and native plants are woven into the design, ensuring the home feels rooted in its environment. Natural elements extend into the interiors with earthy materials like stone, wood, and will softening the boldness of concrete. This balance creates a tranquil atmosphere where inhabitants can feel grounded yet inspired. The deliberate blurring of boundaries fosters a symbiotic relationship between the built space and the world outside. The use of black concrete is both daring and thoughtful. Its dark hue provides a striking contrast to the vibrant greens of the surrounding landscape. The finish is intentionally raw yet refined, emphasizing the natural imperfections that make concrete a living material. This tactile quality invites interaction, connecting people with the home's essence. While bold, the black concrete doesn't dominate. Instead, it serves as a frame for the beauty of nature. Moss creeping along edges and reflections of swaying branches on the surface showcase the adaptability of the material. It's a perfect embodiment of Scandinavian principles: simple, unpretentious, and deeply connected to the earth. Light plays a pivotal role in the Nordic Concrete Sanctuary, transforming spaces and influencing mood. Vast glass panels, skylights, and cleverly designed openings invite natural light to flood every corner. The interplay of sunlight and shadow not only highlights the textures of concrete and wood but also creates a sense of dynamism within the home. The carefully curated lighting design extends into the evenings. Soft, ambient fixtures emphasize the minimalist interiors, ensuring warmth and comfort. The glow of indoor lights against the dark concrete exterior creates a lantern-like effect, making the house a beacon in the surrounding wilderness. While the sanctuary exudes modern luxury, it remains deeply rooted in sustainability. The use of black concrete was deliberate, chosen for its durability and low-maintenance qualities. Locally sourced timber and stone further reduce the environmental footprint, while their natural tones complement the dark exterior beautifully. The home's materials aren't just about sustainability, they tell a story. Weathered wood panels mirror the patina of the surrounding trees, and the texture of hand-laid stone walls echoes the rugged terrain. Together, they form a cohesive narrative that honors the land while embracing the future. Inside, the Nordic ethos shines through in the simplicity and functionality of the spaces. The interiors are free from clutter, with each piece of furniture serving a purpose. Clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials create an atmosphere of calm, where every detail is intentional and meaningful. Comfort is never sacrificed for design. Plush textiles, cozy seating, and thoughtfully designed storage solutions make the space inviting and practical. The home isn't just a place to live. It's a sanctuary for mindfulness, creativity, and connection. It exemplifies how simplicity can lead to profound beauty. The Nordic Concrete Sanctuary isn't limited to its walls. It extends seamlessly into the outdoors. A series of terraces, courtyards, and pathways are designed to encourage interaction with the surrounding landscape. Each outdoor space offers a unique experience, whether it's a quiet retreat for reflection or an open area for social gatherings. The landscape design mirrors the home's architectural simplicity, featuring native plants and minimalist layouts. Concrete stepping stones weave through lush greenery, guiding footsteps while blending harmoniously with the environment. The result is an extension of the sanctuary, where the lines between home and nature blur beautifully. Water plays a serene and symbolic role in the sanctuary's design. A minimalist reflecting pool graces the entrance, greeting visitors with a sense of calm. Its surface mirrors the black concrete and sky above, creating a meditative stillness that sets the tone for the entire experience. Beyond aesthetics, water elements are integrated thoughtfully to enhance the sensory connection with nature. Gentle streams or fountains provide soothing background sounds, harmonizing with the rustle of leaves. These features not only elevate the home's ambience, but also emphasize its connection to the Earth's natural rhythms. The sanctuary's layout is designed for adaptability, reflecting the ever-changing needs of its inhabitants. Open-concept spaces flow effortlessly into one another, allowing for a variety of uses. The living area, dining space, and kitchen form a cohesive zone where social interactions thrive without compromising on privacy or functionality. Sliding partitions and modular furniture add versatility to the design. These elements allow spaces to transform depending on the time of day or the occasion. Whether it's a cozy evening for two or a lively gathering of friends, the sanctuary adapts, ensuring every moment feels effortless and intentional. The decor within the sanctuary reflects the heart of Scandinavian minimalism, functionality paired with understated beauty. Each piece of furniture and accessory is carefully curated, emphasizing craftsmanship and simplicity. Soft textiles in neutral tones add warmth to the stark concrete, creating a harmonious balance. Natural materials dominate the interiors, from oak dining tables to wool rugs. These elements not only connect the indoors to the surrounding landscape, but also add layers of texture and comfort. The result is an inviting environment where every item has a purpose, and nothing feels excessive or out of place. Designed with the seasons in mind, the Nordic Concrete Sanctuary is a home for every time of year. In winter, the dark concrete exterior contrasts beautifully with snow-covered surroundings, creating a striking visual. Inside, the warmth of the interiors and the glow of a central fireplace provide a cozy retreat from the cold. During summer, the home opens up to its natural environment, with large windows and sliding doors inviting fresh air and sunlight. Shaded outdoor spaces become extensions of the living area, offering cool, tranquil spots to enjoy the lush greenery. It's a sanctuary that transforms gracefully with the seasons. The Nordic Concrete Sanctuary is more than a home. It's a legacy of timeless design. Its black concrete facade, Scandinavian influences, and seamless integration with nature create a dwelling that feels as though it has always belonged. It stands as an inspiration for future designs, proving that beauty and functionality can coexist harmoniously. This sanctuary embodies the philosophy that less is more, reminding us that true luxury lies in simplicity and connection to nature, a space that adapts, inspires, and nurtures. It is a haven for those who seek balance in an ever-changing world. The Nordic Concrete Sanctuary is a masterpiece of design that resonates with modern sensibilities while honoring nature. Its black beauty and Scandinavian simplicity offer an invitation to live mindfully, surrounded by the elegance of the natural world. This isn't just a house. It's a way of life, a retreat where harmony and innovation come together.